Introduce highlight features and quick overview of CORROY Small Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless Mini Wet Dry Hand Vacuum USB Type-C Rechargeable. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. CORROY Cordless Handheld Vacuum is your best gift for your wife, mother, dad, husband, and others. Unique design for women, this handheld cordless vacuum has 3 colors to choose for you. Green is elegant, white is young, black is classical, every color is very special. A rounded appearance design is humanization for everyone. High power and quick charge. Rechargeable vacuum cleaner 2x 2000 mAh lasting lithium batteries, with a 120 watts power motor, which runs up to 30 minutes. And this small handheld vacuum can be fully charged in about 3 to 4 hours, compatible with Type-C USB charging cable. Portable and low noise, mini size and lightweight is very easy to carry. This car vacuum cleaner has a less 70 decibels running noise, reducing noise while maintaining a driving force and giving you a comfortable cleaning experience. Multifunctional, this pet hair vacuum handheld can not only be used at home or office, but also be used in car. 3 kinds of attachments can help you to clean anywhere. The LED light is great for cleaning the dark corners at night. It is a perfect partner for you. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.